Here we have it, guys. It is Sunday night. I'm leaving Wednesday night, driving this Altima, attempting to drive this Altima all the way to Stafford Motor Speedway up in Connecticut, where we are going to race with Cletus McFarland and the guys at the Altima 400. We got the big YouTube QR code added to the back window. We got these awesome rock lights. I can change the color of them while I'm driving. I can't do it apparently on the drive there because apparently stuff like this is illegal, but I'm racing with them on, so you guys will be able to tell which one's me. We got these awesome sponsors, Ramey's Print Zoo. They hooked me up with a clutchmarles light. They gave it to me at Bourbon Beatdown this year. It's the coolest thing I've ever got. They're on this journey with me. We got my boy Caleb with the old TRX Derby wheels. We got Dub Designs. Like, you guys are helping me get to the track, keeping this thing moving. And we have Cashapp and Venmo listed to get names Sharpied on the roof. So yes, this is exciting. I am more nervous for this than like I would be a demolition derby, because one, everybody asks, what are you gonna do if the car doesn't make it? I don't know. Like, if for some reason the car breaks down along the way, then I'm gonna have to figure it out on the go. Hopefully I can make it to Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania's the halfway point. I have friends on both sides of it, so if it makes it that far, at least if I break down, I know people that can come get me. So some of you guys don't follow me on Facebook. I did post the other day, I have signed up for Cletus McFarland's Danger Ranger. He's doing a race in at his Freedom Factory, October 10th, down in Florida. I went and got some Ford Rangers because I'm like, you know what, I'm loving going to these events. The atmosphere is electrifying, and I'm just having a blast being at these shows. So we got this Ford Ranger. It's missing a door, it's missing the bed, but it's got a little sticky stick right there. It's got the extra pedal, so I was like, that's really what I was wanting. It's got a V6 3.0, but we're missing half the engine. So this is a 1994. It's missing half the engine. The guy cut all the wiring. I don't know why. So I went and picked up another one with a 3.0. See where I'm getting? I was like, oh, we'll take this engine, put it in that one. Then we're gonna have a V6 manual transmission. 1994, 2004. Done a lot of research on Google, and I can put this block in that engine, like in that truck. You got to use the computer, all the sensors. I think it said the intake, all the pulleys, accessories like power steering, all that off that engine. The stuff that I'm missing. So this is an automatic. I've driven it around the yard. I drove it for like 10-15 minutes. It really I'll explain it. The back window explains it better. 0 to 60 eventually. Like, I don't know if it's all Rangers or just mine. This thing feels like a turd. And now I'm worried. I'm like, this one's probably gonna be on Marketplace before too long. I'm like, do I go through this, do spark plugs, cold air intake, all that stuff, try to spice this one up a hair, or I got a buddy, he says he's got a 4.0 Ford Ranger. So we'll see. Right now, my main focus is I got to get to Connecticut. So after that, we're gonna start building these. They get like a NASCAR style cage. We're gonna be looking for sponsors. We'll see how all that goes. So I told you guys at the beginning of the year, hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, because we're gonna be doing some crazy shit. And I just thought we'd be smashing cars and doing like junk car races. I'd never expected it to. I didn't expect us to be doing buses, doing Cletus events. While I'm in Connecticut, I am doing the van pre-race where we're launching minivans. Like, this has all just been an exciting year, 2026. I don't know if I can beat it next year. It's going to be one hell of a highlight video at the end of the year. So if you haven't yet, hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, because we're doing it, buddy.